get more likes and comments, then you need to stop. This is a red alert. So, hello, action takers. As a beginner, we all crave for more and more likes and comments. We're thinking that to go on Instagram, all we need is likes and comments. And what happens that we continuously join multiple engagement groups also to get more likes and comments, and we even start sharing contents to our friends, relatives, schoolmates, or whatever, and just torture them to like and comment our content so that our page can grow. So you need to understand that this will kill your page. Definitely, this will kill your page. First, we need to understand this, that why we are doing this. As you also know, there's no point in explaining this. For more likes and comments, grow our Instagram, to get more clients, to get more leads, to get more sales, to get more whatever is it. Okay? But to be honest, if you are doing this, you are definitely killing your page. So according to the Instagram algorithm shows your content to the people who are similar to the people who are liking your content. Like, let me tell you an example. You are a fitness coach and you are posting content related to fitness, like how to do exercise, how to stay motivated, how to do that, how to do this. And what you are doing, you are sending you content like this to your friend who is an lover or film lover or someone who loves to eat more and more but is not ready to start the fitness part. So if you are sending these, so the first thing what will happen? It will decrease your respect. It will decrease the authenticity of your page. Like, if someone is sending me this, like someone is sending me contents like this, to be honest, I'm like, why are you sending me this? Why? Why will I like your content if I'm not liking it? To be honest, I'm very frank. Like, I don't care about feelings when it comes to the truth. If I'm loving your content, I'm loving. If I'm not, I'm not going to see your content. It's like this, and that's why if you're continuously sending me these kind of, if you're continuously sending me contents, I'm definitely not gonna look at them, and even might block you. I can also block you. You know, people can also block you, so it decreases your authenticity. Second, even if I go and see, like, yeah, this is my friend, let's like and comment, and what else I need to do? So I did a like and comment. So what will happen? There are so many probabilities that can happen. Let me explain. The first that will happen is that Instagram will show your content to the people who are similar to you. And I'm an Instagram marketer and you're sending me content relevant to travel. If you're showing this kind of content to others Instagram marketer, I don't know how many of them will react. This is like, if they are not interested, they won't. So it's not a good point. And second, if I'm giving you a like and comment, Instagram will analyze that like and comment. And if they think that this person has definitely read the content and then liked and comment, only then you will get a great reach. And if they think that it is just given, and then what will happen? That they will decrease your reach, and that will hamper the growth of your page, and then you won't get views, then sales. So can you see how everything is connected? So the third probability, even if you are getting likes and comment, do you really think that your page can grow only on likes and comments? To grow on Instagram, you need likes, comments, plus shares and saves, and also follows. If you are not getting this, Instagram will think you are a spam, you are fake, and then they might block you, and I can't do anything. And next point, if I'm giving you fake likes and comments, and you have done a great work on everything, you have given the link in bio. Do you really think I will click on that link in bio and go through your content and go through any freebie or any consultation call or anything you have on this link in bio to collect the leads, cold leads? Definitely not. So it will decrease your account's reach as well. So it will hurt your business very well. So that's why I would suggest you, if you want to get more likes and comments, don't do this. I'm going to share a great Instagram engagement group in next week. I know it's illegal. This one is a great illegal thing that we are going to legally on Instagram. So if you want to see that,